Hello and welcome. This video is intended to be a detailed walkthrough of my Scion FR-S. There are three models or three versions of this car. It's a Toyota GT86, the Scion FR-S, and the Subaru BRZ. The difference between the three cars is literally the emblem, because it's the only Toyota and Subaru collaboration car. Subaru made the engine and Toyota made the rest. It's got three washing it goods, so we'll go ahead and take a peek on the inside. FRS stands for front engine, R is rear wheel drive, which is rare, especially with the front engine, and S means sport. It has a boxer engine, which only two companies in the world make that, and that is Subaru and Porche. Of course, the key comes with a little wireless fob thingam. It does have Bluetooth, so it's connected to my phone already. It's got good sound. It's got Premier audio in here. Never far away from me. Well, like I said, everything's touchscreen, so you can, you see the tracks of the songs. And, heat and AC works perfectly fine. Actually, in truth, everything really works fine in this car. I've taken very meticulous care of it. Spent like 2 days super cleaning it, because once I got my little bit of dust and dirt out of here, I started to notice that all the seats and everything is still brand new underneath that dust. So, dual exhaust there. There's the trunk. And I got a spare and all that. The only reason I'm selling the car is I'm getting a different car. Absolutely nothing wrong with it, and I'll go ahead and turn it on for you. So well, sounds nice, Sorry if it goes in out of focus kind of. Well, let's go hear the engine. Always had meticulous oil changes right on time and all those things. And well, it is a 6-speed. I never rode it hard. I don't like to do that. And I believe I'm the third owner. Alright, so let's listen to it a little. She's got a pretty sound. Okay, now let's go ahead and take it for a drive. I wanted to have the windows down and start it for you so you can hear that. Alright. So you can hear like it's just smoothly. You get a shift change with the clutch smoothly going from disengage to in the next gear. See how smooth, no stutter. Here I got a little bit of a straightaway, so I think I'll probably do a little demonstration of acceleration here. Okay, there we go. Right, ready? So, yeah, I only went up to 45, but I'm honestly not trying to be hard on the engine, and it's a fun little car to drive. It's got some get up and go if you want to or need to. Got a really nice throaty sound. So I am a self-employed business owner, and I work from home. So hence the license plate. That's the name of my company. Point being, I never use this for commutes because I don't have a commute, and anytime I take any sort of like long trip to visit people out of town or family in Florida, etc., I pretty much exclusively use the RV. So, point being, I really pretty much exclusively use this car for grocery store and to go to friends' houses and that sort of thing right here around town. Let's see, beyond that, I wanted to disclose that it is a salvage title, but while that sounds like it's a bad thing, it actually is a good thing in this case. So, salvage title, of course, means that an insurance company deemed it a total loss and did a full payout. The accident that it was in was like a front end slight fender bender, and the guy I bought it from was a Russian guy, and he did all the body work himself. And genuinely, it's the best body work I've ever seen. The way I was told to look to see if it was good work is when a car gets into an accident and the body or frame needs adjusted. Typically, the panels will be sort of out of sync with each other. And I was told a good way to judge is to look at these gaps here. As you can see about how big that gap is, that you can compare it to this one over here. It's literally the best body work I've ever seen. I mean, this guy did this work to the level of like microns. It's incredible. So in this case, like while it is a salvage title, typically the downside of that is that something is wrong with the car, and in this case there's absolutely nothing wrong with this car. And of course you are most welcome to come and see it for yourself, give it a drive, see how it feels. It's a really fun car that it accelerates quick, it's light on its feet, and yeah, it's fun to drive and sporty and sleek. Definitely feel free to reach out to me if you have any questions or any sort of thing like that. I will talk to you soon. Thanks much.